Okay, this channel is Bachelor about the dog. Who's this? Okay. This is a golden doodle. I know it's not gold, but Bachelor, come on, boy. Okay, see, he always answers, and he always gets it in his mouth. I don't know why. I know it's shaky. I know that. So I'm gonna he's going pretty fast. Yeah, okay, we're good. I'm gonna check what time it is. It is the wrong time. See, okay. Okay. It's yeah. What I was about to say. Baxter! Hey! 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 Hey!
One more.
I know. Baxter, when I say this word, Baxter, outside, 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 outside. There's the door of it. Baxter's like, he's like putting his head out, saying I'm trying to run home. See, he comes right to the door. See him? I know it's a little dark. Let me turn the lights on. Dark. See, he comes right to the door when I put my hand on here. Like, he just jumps. Like, there's so cute about him. See, he jumps. Watch him. He jumps. Always. I do that. Yes, this is his dog food. Okay. Don't tell me that this doesn't look like Baxter, my dog. Don't tell me that this doesn't look like him. Look at this. This is the poster, and this is Baxter. He's not colorful, but he looks like this. He's the golden doodle. There's the golden doodle. See? But except for the little, like, bleh. Her little mouth, yeah. I know. Like, kind of little short video. I know. You see my shadow? Yeah. Yes, this is my tablet. I'm recording you on. He's always, if he beats on the door so much, he will love being his mom. See with him. He's following me. See, this is what I do. He goes to this door for outside. This is our backyard. Well, backyard over there after that door. And my mom is right there. That door right there is open. Not the bathroom. Not my room with the heart there. That room. And every time I want to go, he'll always go to my mom's room thinking I'm going to go. So this was just a short video. Kind of very short. And I just want to say thank you, goodbye. I know I can't show my face. So, bye-bye. Bye.